Hi, this is Anil from Learning Lab with a video tutorial on C programming. So in this tutorial we're gonna see the two more character related functions available in C. One is called ispunct, which is used to check whether a character is a punctuation character or not, and another one is called isspace. So this is used to check whether a character is a space or not. So in this tutorial we're gonna see what's the syntax of these two functions, what are the punctuation characters, what are the characters for space, and also how we can use these two functions in our program. Okay, now this ispunct function is gonna return a non-zero if the character passed here is a punctuation character. Otherwise a value of 0 will be returned. So the punctuation defined by this function includes all the printing characters that are neither alphanumeric or a space. So I have written some of the punctuation characters here, you can see. Okay, next the isspace function. So this isspace function is gonna return non-zero if that character passed here is a white space character, including the space, horizontal tab, vertical tab, form feed, carried return, or new line character. Otherwise it's gonna return a value of 0. Okay, now we're gonna see how we can use these two functions in our program. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how we can use these two functions in our program. Okay, first for the demonstration purpose, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a variable of type character and I'm gonna call it as ch, and next I'm gonna use the ispunct function to check whether the character is a punctuation character or not, and I'm gonna use that inside the if statement. If ispunct punct, and as a parameter we need to pass a ch. Then if the character is a punctuation character, then the ispunct function is gonna return a non-zero value, and that's gonna mean that success here, and that's why the if block will be executed, and we're gonna say %c is a punctuation character. Let me add a new line here, and we're gonna refer the variable ch. So else, if this ispunct function is going to return a value of 0, then it's going to mean that the character is not a punctuation character, and we're going to say that here, and is not a punctuation character. Okay, next we're going to see how to use the isspace function. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here, and here we're gonna change this one to isspace, yes, pace, then it's gonna say is a white space character, else is not a white space character. Okay, now I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna assign this this star here. So this star is a punctuation character, that's why this ispunct function is gonna return a non-zero value, and this if block will be executed, and this isspace function is gonna return a value of 0, that's why the else block will be executed. I'm gonna execute, compile and run. So you can see here star is a punctuation character and star is not a white space character. So if I change this one to any other punctuation character, we'll get the same result. For example, equal to, save this, compile and run. So equal to is a punctuation character, equal to is not a white space character. So if I change this one to, let's say, a is not a punctuation character, and also a is not a white space character. So here I'm going to store a space in this variable ch, that's why this ispunct function is going to return a value of 0 because that's not a punctuation character, and this isspace function is going to return a non-zero value because space is a white space character, and that's why this if block will be executed. Compile and run. So you can see here space, you can see here it's not a punctuation character, and space is a white space character. Okay, this is it guys. This is about the ispunct and isspace functions in C. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.